Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create a Facebook page, Facebook fan page or a Facebook business page. So it is very simple process, but I'll show you what I'm going to tell you. So this is my Facebook page. Let me show you. Okay, you can see this is my Mahesh Technicals Facebook page. So with you can create your brand name, your brand new Facebook page with this method. Okay, so let's create. So for that, first of all, you need to create your Facebook account. If you have Facebook account, then log in to your Facebook application. Okay, you can see you can share your post, whatever you want to share, you can share with your fans, share with your post peoples. Okay guys, so just create a Facebook page, go here, then select pages option, then click on create button. Okay, so page creation started. Just put your page name. I'm going to use demo channel here. Now you need to select a category of your page. So my category is technology, so I'm going to select technology. So you can search from here as well. Okay, whatever your niche, you can select that category, then click on next. Okay, so now they're asking you if you have website, then put, otherwise you can click on I don't have website and press next. So I have a website, maheshtechnicals.com, so I'm going to put here and press next. Okay, so now the time to set our logo and cover photo. So select your logo and save it, and then again click on cover photo, select your cover photo and save it. And boom guys, your Facebook fan page is created successfully. Okay, I'm going to skip this part here. Okay, so now just refresh your page and you can see our Facebook page is successfully created. With that method you can create as many pages you want. Okay, so with this page you can share your page and invite your friends to this page. They like your page and they access your posts, future posts. Okay, so you can post here anything like photos, videos, tutorials, YouTube videos, anything, whatever you want to share with your fans, you can share it. With this method you can create Facebook page very easily. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. We will meet in the next video. Thank you so much for watching guys.